Welcome to Inehub, your go-to source for the latest in tech, crypto, and innovation. Let's dive right into today's exciting news. If you don't already have a KuCoin account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. Breaking news in the world of crypto. KuCoin is thrilled to announce the world premiere listing of Nillion NIL on its platform. That's right, Nillion is making its grand debut, and you're among the first to know about it. Nillion is not just another cryptocurrency, it's a groundbreaking project built on innovative technology designed to revolutionize the way we think about data privacy and decentralized computation. With its unique approach, Nillion is set to redefine the future of blockchain and beyond. Starting now, you can trade NIL tokens on KuCoin, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, this is your chance to be part of something big from the very beginning. KuCoin is known for bringing the most promising projects to its users, and Nillion is no exception. This exclusive listing is your opportunity to get in early on a project with massive potential. Don't miss out. Ready to dive in? Head over to KuCoin now and start trading NL tokens. Use the link in the description below to get started. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Inehub YouTube channel for more updates on the latest in crypto and blockchain innovation. Thanks for watching Inehub. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep exploring the future with us.